Hey there, are you looking for a cordless vacuum that combines powerful suction, long runtime, and built-in air freshening in one slick package? If the answer is yes, then you are definitely in the right place, because today we are checking out the Honiture P7 cordless stick vacuum, a top seller on Amazon that delivers premium cleaning power with smart features to match. From deep cleaning carpets to refreshing your air, this vacuum does it all. But before we get started, I want to mention that this product was provided to us by Honiture in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So stick around as we explore everything that this vacuum has to offer. With no further ado, let's jump right in. For the unboxing, as you can see, inside the box you will get the P7 Pro vacuum, the charging dock with wall mount, the extended tube, and a full set of attachments, including the 8-inch service tool and mini dusting brush, and 2 built-in fragrance cartridges for that extra fresh clean. And everything is well packed and easy to assemble, so you can start vacuuming right away. Now let's talk power. This vacuum delivers 50,000 pounds of suction or 120 AW, which means it removes up to 95% of embedded pet hair from furniture, stairs, or car interiors, up to twice as fast as standard models. So whether you are dealing with crumbs, dust, or deeply embedded hair, the P7 Pro gets the job done. What really sets it apart is the long runtime. In standard mode, you get up to 50 minutes, 25 minutes in boost mode, and a full 80 minutes on low power mode. That is more than enough to clean your whole house on a single charge. Despite all that power, it's surprisingly quiet, running at just 68 decibels, which is quieter than your average conversation. And yes, it does smell as good as it cleans. Thanks to dual built-in aroma diffusers, the P7 Pro actually releases a fresh fragrance while you vacuum, which is really impressive as it's the first vacuum that I have reviewed in this channel with this feature, leaving your space smelling as clean as it looks. It also comes with a dual HEPA filtration system, which traps dust and allergens and prevents them from re-entering your air. It's great for allergy sufferers or homes with pets. The LED headlight on the main brush makes sure you never miss a spot, even in dark corners or under furniture. And if you need to clean higher shelves or car seats, it quickly converts into a lightweight handheld vacuum, as you can see. Right up top, you have got an all-in-one smart touchscreen, and this is definitely one of the features that I really love about this vacuum is the touchscreen, and you pretty much can see all the necessary details from power level to battery and everything in between. It shows your power mode, remaining runtime, and alerts for maintenance or blockages, giving you complete control at a glance. And when you are done, just drop it into the wall-mounted dock. It charges automatically, holds your accessories, and keeps everything neat and within reach for your next clean. And speaking of the wall-mounted dock, as you can see, you can plug it in the charger directly, so you don't have to charge the battery separately, which is really convenient. Just dock in the vacuum and it instantly starts charging, which is one of the features that I love about this amazing vacuum, which is a great addition. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about this Honiture P7 Pro cordless vacuum cleaner. If you want ultra powerful suction, ultra long runtime, and a fresh scent as you go, then don't wait. Click the link in the description to get yours now and enjoy high performance cleaning that smells just as good as it looks. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helped you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section. See you in the next one. Peace.